Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the best, goodest stuff in the world to you from Melbourne in Australia.
We should really kind of just start making up words. Do it, Dr. Seuss. We'll just make up words that kind of fit the things we want to.
That's the one. All right, what do we got here, Rubes?
We have the Untamed Landscape series from ABC. So it's interesting to see them kind of step into this coin round kind of. Well, these ones are coins.
These are coins.
Yeah, step into the coin world. I'd say they're very popular for their bars. But interesting to see these. And we've got the ones. We've got two different varieties. We've got the ones in cards and the ones in the capsules.
Alrighty. So this is number 2, I believe, in the series.
Yes. So we had the crocodile previously. I'll quickly show that video there if you wanted to check that one out.
Yep.
And now we are on to the next.
The next one, which is the Kiwi.
That's it.
I don't have to celebrate this one or not. You know, these New Zealanders.
we've got to be friends with our with our Kiwi brethren.
So it's an interesting coin, this one. I can't say I love it. I can't say I hate it, but I can't say I love this one. I don't know why. I think it.
Is it because it reminds you of a kangaroo? Because to me,
that's what it is. I was trying not to say that. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've said it for you. I think you've got the animal centered there with the radial lines. Yeah. It very much screams that for me, in just its styling. But I kind of like that. I mean, maybe some originality to it.
It's an award-winning design.
Well, that's it. I quite like the kangaroo as well, if I'm honest. But that's it. You get. Because they don't really have a coin like this in New Zealand, so does it kind of fill that space for them?
Well, I mean, they do have... The Kiwi's actually a gold coin. They have the silver fern.
Yes.
And then the gold Kiwi. Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those coins... I'm absolutely going to get some because I'm doing
Got to finish the set.
So, I can't not get it, but... yeah, it's an interesting one. Rubes has hit the nail on the head. It kind of echoes the kangaroo a little bit, but it's an interesting design still. You've got the Kiwi in the foreground, the radials as we've already spoken, and then Australia and the Southern Cross. And I don't have my eyeballs on, but
New Zealand is there.
New Zealand is there. I was going to say it's a little ominous by its exclusion, but it is there. So, which is really good.
Speaking of landscapes, you've got a beautiful landscape there on the card as well.
In the background, and I'm sure someone knows where it is. I don't.
I'm going to say New Zealand, but...
Okay, fair call. I didn't know,
Sorry,
I didn't know the name of the mountain, okay?
Had to be terrible.
But yeah, over the page, we've got, and it probably tells me which mountain it is in the blurb there if I'd read it.
It doesn't.
It doesn't? Okay.
It just said it's island, watching over its island home.
Yeah,
If we head to the QR code, maybe I'll flash up on screen if it talks about the landscape there.
Yeah, so you've got King Charles on the back, and it's worth $5. So it becomes a coin, not a round.
What do you think of the concept of the kind of blister pack? Is it something cool? Is it an unnecessary addition to a bullion coin?
Yeah, see, this is where I have to be split personality, because from a coin collector, a numismatic point of view, I actually really like it.
Yeah.
It's got the appeal. You've got a pretty background. It protects the coin. I can handle it, without worrying too much about damaging anything in there. Bit of a blurb on the back and the QR code, so I can go and seek further information. So from my coin collector side of me, this actually ticks the boxes. From the stacker side of me, I go, man, more junk I can't fit in the safe. So, I'm kind of a bit split on that one. However, if you are as well, we have a solution.
That's it.
We have it in a capsule.
Ta-da!
So none of the guff around the outside. So your stacking side can smile, and we've still got the same coin, but it comes obviously in not a capsule that big. I've got to break one out.
Yeah. I was thinking about it. We were trying to discuss before if this was something different from the crocodile, because I think there was some that came just in capsules, but I think there was also some that came naked in tubes.
That's correct.
It's good to see coins in capsules like this.
So again, the same design as the previous. In fact, we can put them side by side to prove the point. But instead of coming in the plastic there, it just comes in a capsule. So far more easy to fit in your safe and in your stack and stack them up.
That's it. Both available on our website. Links will be in the description below.
I'm not so sure. I think there are crocodiles left naked. I'm not sure there's any blister packs left.
No, I think those did sell out very quickly, and so I would suggest it'll probably be a similar order on these, with the blister packs selling out first. But we'll wait and see. It's normally when we make predictions like that we get proven wrong very quickly. So we will wait and see what actually happens.
Yeah. So ABC product. Look, the series kicking goals. I think they did a great job with it. This was always the one that I was a bit not so sure about, but it's not as bad as I feared. But it certainly won't be my favourite of the stack.
That's all right. We will look forward to the next one as well then.
We shall. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.